In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Gmail as a desktop app. If you're tired of having to open your browser every time you want to check your emails, then this guide is definitely for you. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to access Gmail directly from your desktop, making your email management a breeze. Let's dive in. To get started, you'll first need to open your preferred web browser. This can be either Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, as both are well suited for this task. Once your browser is open, navigate to gmail.com by typing it into the address bar and hitting enter. This will direct you to the Gmail homepage. Now that you're on the website, it's time to log into your Gmail account. Simply enter your email address and password in the provided fields and click Sign In. If you have multiple Gmail accounts, ensure you log into the one you intend to access most frequently. Once you're logged in and can see your inbox, you're ready for the next step. Look towards the top right corner of your browser window, and you will see a three-dot menu icon. This icon is your gateway to various settings and options within your browser. Click on this icon, and a menu will drop down, presenting you with a range of choices. Here's where using Chrome or Edge makes a slight difference. If you're using Chrome, move your cursor over the option labeled Cast, Save, and Share. A submenu will appear, and from there, select Install Page as App. If you're using Edge, the process is a bit different. You'll need to click on the Apps option within the drop-down menu, and then choose Install this site as an app. Both methods are designed to achieve the same goal, so use whichever browser you feel most comfortable with. After you make that selection, a pop-up dialog will appear, prompting you to confirm the installation of Gmail as an application on your desktop. Click the Install button within this dialog to begin the installation process. This is a fairly quick step, and within moments, you should see the Gmail app open up in its own dedicated window. And just like that, you've successfully installed Gmail as a desktop app. A shortcut to Gmail will now be created, either on your desktop itself, on your taskbar, or within the Start menu, depending on your computer settings. This shortcut allows you to open Gmail with a single click, without having to sift through various browser tabs or windows. Enjoy the newfound convenience of accessing your emails directly with just a simple click. I hope this guide was helpful.